How to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So first of all, you need to check if you have any active subscription to your Apple ID. Sometimes billing issues can lead to account deactivation. So open up your App Store and click on profile on the top right and then click on your email on the top again. Once you are in, you just need to click on the subscription under the manage payments, and there you will gonna see all of your active subscription. Now next step is you need to make sure to sign out of your Apple ID by going in the settings and click on your name on the top, and make sure to click on the sign out on the bottom of your screen. Now once you have signed out, make sure to log in again. Next step is you need to change your Apple ID password. Once you change your Apple ID password, make sure to also check your logged in devices. Ensure that no unauthorized devices are using your Apple ID. You need to review the list of devices associated with your account by simply opening up your settings, and you will gonna see all the devices that are connected with your Apple ID. At the end, you can add a new payment methods or update your payment method and addresses associated with your Apple ID. Sometimes incorrect billing information can trigger account deactivation. Hope this helped. This is how you can fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes.